Here I have SONY Xperia 10 with activated pattern protection. Let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method. Let me also show you how to flash this device. So at the very beginning, let's use the following application, Xperia Companion. Let's choose here software repair. So if you have problems with your Xperia, you can use the software repair to reinstall the device software. Let me choose here my device cannot be detected. Tap next. Choose here Xperia phone or tablet right here. Select next again. Choose here, yes, I know my Google account details, because after the hard reset you will be asked for your previous Google account, so you have to know your password. If not, you can also try to find the bypass method. You can do it on our YouTube videos, on our other tutorials. Let's choose here yes, tap next. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, the following instructions should pop up, so let's follow those steps. At the very beginning you need to start by holding the power key, switch off the device by choosing power off, wait a couple of seconds, and then let's prepare the USB-C cable. Here I have such a cable, and let's start holding volume down. The USB-C cable is connected to the PC, of course. Keep holding volume down, and by holding volume down, connect your device. That's it. The green LED should pop up. Let's wait a few seconds. And here let's choose that you understand that your personal content will be lost. That's what we need. Tap next. Choose next again. And that's it. Now the Xperia is repairing. So let's wait until Alright, the operation is done, so now all you need to do is simply disconnect your device from a PC, and let's start holding the power key to switch on the phone. You have to note that the first startup after repairing may take a little bit longer, so let's just wait. Alright, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start to easily activate your device. As you can see, there is no pattern, password or fingerprint protection. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.